everybody, welcome. Now today, nice little one today, this is I think, I'm going to do fisherman's pie, 79p from Aldi, that was. It looks quite nice actually, 79p that was. But I'm going to compare it with Lidl, 79p, exactly the same. So this will be a nice interesting one. Lidl and Aldi. Nice. I mean, they both look nice to be honest, but where's the other one? There it is. They both look nice. So let's open them up, get them in the oven, give them a taste test. Well, I'm going to open the Aldi one first. Let's have a look. It says new look on it, so obviously they're not new, it's just an improved look I suppose. There it is. There's the calories if you want to have a look at them. What size is it actually? 340 gram for that. And there's all the nutrition if you want to have a look at that. So that's 340 gram for the Aldi one. Let's make sure I don't get them mixed up. And the little one. So both 79p. And there's the Lidl. A lot more cheese in the Lidl, isn't there? You see that? A lot more cheese. Put that one there. And get them mixed up. What's the weight on this one? If I can find it. 340 gram on that. Was that 340 as well? Can't remember now. Yeah, both 340. You can see that. Both 340 gram. Nutrition, if you want to have a look at that. Just give it a pause. Now it says, where are they? Cooking instructions somewhere, if I can find them. Always cook from frozen, well that's what it is. Oven, I'm going to do them in the oven because I want it crispy. I don't want to do them in the microwave. I want the cheese crispy to see what it tastes like. I mean, there's not much cheese in that Aldi one, is there, to be fair? There's not much in there at all. Is that cheese or is it breadcrumbs? I don't know. Actually, that's the thinking of it. Does it say? Topped with mashed potato, reconstructed mash and cheddar cheese. So it is cheese, yeah. Well, I'll stick them in the oven. It's 220 degrees, I think it says. 220 degrees from the cheese. So this will be a nice, interesting one, this. Leave them there so I don't get mixed up with what side's what. So I'll get them in the oven then and I'll bring you back. Right, they're done. So here's the Lidl one. It's boiling up, so there's Lidl's. And these Aldi's. There we go. They look quite nice, don't they? 79p each. See if I can get a cloth. Hold them. So they're boiling out. They've only just a second come out. Little one. Aldi one. Which one do you think looks the best? I personally think Lidl looks better. Could have done with the cheese spread around a bit more like, but for 79p I don't think you can moan in the look. So I'm going to let them cool down for a couple of minutes because I can't taste them yet, I'll burn my mouth. Then we'll give it a taste test. Right, they've had a couple of minutes, so I'm going to dig some out. I'm going to have a look what it looks like. There's the Aldi one. Do the little one. Right, Aldi's. To be fair, don't they look nice? I say I'm not going to season them because it's all, you just want to taste it. And Lidl. now I'm looking at it, I don't know whether the Aldi one looks better. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I'm going to have to find out with the taste, then I. So let's taste them. So I'm going to do the Aldi one first. I'm going to try the mash first on its own, if I can grab some. Ooh, a little bit bland. Now the rest of it. Nice and creamy, but it's a bit bland, to be fair. Can't taste much cheese. It's nice though. Might have to try me both some salt and pepper on. Here's the Lidl one. Let's try the mash first. A little bit more cheesier, but we can see that coming from the start, I suppose. And let's try the fish and that. Oh, that's a lot more fishier. That's a lot more fishier, that is. Oh yeah. We try the Aldi one again. We'll try and get some fish. No, I don't even need to season it. It's the Lidl. The Lidl 100%. Well done, Lidl. Well done. Yeah, Lidl. Without any seasoning. Oh yes. The Aldi one is very bland, so I mean, I suppose you can season it yourself and put some salt and pepper on and whatever. It'll probably taste alright. Let's try it actually. Get a bit of salt on it. Bit of pepper. Get them mixed together. Yeah. But seasoning makes everything okay, doesn't it? But to have it out the box, it's Lidl. Both 79p. Go for the Lidl one if you're near there. If you fancy one. Good for a single person, they are. It's like our house, there's only me who likes fish. So no one else would eat it, but I'd eat them. And to be fair, Lidl looks a lot better as well, doesn't it? That's Lidl. Aldi. There you go. Nice little one there. Thanks for watching. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment, I'll reply to you. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye. Bit more Lidl. Bit more Lidl. With no seasoning. Yeah. 100%. Bye bye.